This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Steve.Summerlin. 2005 to 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath townhome west/garage and fenced backyard. Primary suite west/bath and 2 closets. All kitchen appliances. Laundry closet with west/D hookups. Non-smoking/vaping unit. Pets require approval, extra $300 deposit and $50 per month. Application fee $50 per adult, copy of valid ID and last 3 pay stubs required. For more information, review the details below or contact Steve.Summerlin at 757-420-0071.